And now I want to say you one thing, that I do not have any tablet for you, like I do not have any medicine for you which I am gonna give you and you will have that tablet, or you will swallow that you will swallow some water with that tablet. No, it's not gonna happen. You're not gonna learn English by this method, because there is not any kind of tablet, there is not any kind of medicine for all of you guys who really want to learn English. Hello there, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kaur from Speak Smartly with Kaur, and today I'm going to talk about one question that is mostly asked by many of my subscribers who like to learn English, who are really into learn English. Okay, so that is about how to start thinking in English, how to initiate thinking in English. Okay, initiate means how to start. Okay, so it's a synonym of start. So now this is a very common question which is mostly asked by my many subscribers. Okay, so how can you tackle this problem? Actually, this problem is very common and I used to face this, that is why I can easily understand this, and definitely I'll talk about the all solutions which you can use for tackling this, okay, or for sorting out this problem. So the thing number one, what I did, I just started to talk in English with myself. Okay, I used to talk a lot with myself. Now you guys might be thinking that how could I talk to myself? But I used to do this. Even I do it right now. I still do it. Okay, and that is why I am improving myself a lot. Okay, actually there is also one problem that most of the individuals always ask me, that whenever they try to speak in English their mind goes blank. Okay, like whenever they want to say something, or whenever they want to pronounce any word, or they want to make any sentence in a good way, so at that time their mind refuses to talk about the words, like words will refuse to come out their tongue. It happens, it used to happen with me, and it happens with all of those learners who are just beginner in English. Okay, it's very common it's very common problem. Okay, it's a very common problem for everyone. So guys, watch this video till it ends, because it's must going to be very helpful. Okay, the thing number one is, how can you start thinking English? There is a one thing that you guys can do. What you have to do, you have to stop thinking in your mother tongue. For example, your mother tongue is Hindi, or maybe your mother tongue is Punjabi. So you have to stop that thinking. You have to start thinking in English. For example, now you are you are going to cook something, so you have to say that I am going to cook something, instead of saying मैं खाना बनाने जा रही हूँ या मैं खाना बनाने जा रही हूँ. So you have to think about that thing in English, and this is how you are going to learn English. You have to talk about everything in English in your mind or with your mind, and this is the one thing which is gonna help you a lot. Okay, so for example, you are going to do something but you don't know about that thing in English, like you do not have words to talk about that thing in English. So firstly, try to search about that thing on Google or on YouTube. So by this you will get to know the right words of that thing. Okay, and this is how you are gonna grab a knowledge. Okay, you are gonna get grips with vocabulary, because when you will search about anything, it will help you to learn. Okay, and now that, so for controlling this problem, what you have to do, you have to speak everything in English. For example, you have some words in English but they are refusing to come on your tongue, so you have to activate those words in your mind. For example, you have a lot of words in your mind but they are not activate. So how can you activate those words? You have to activate those words by using them, by making sentences. For example, now I am in the kitchen, okay, and I'm going to cook, I'm going to make chapatis, I'm going to cook I'm going to cook something for myself, like I'm going to cook Maggie. Okay, like whatever I'm going to do, I will talk about that thing in English. Even I don't have words, but I will try to speak that thing in English. And no matter you're making mistakes, you're making sentences in a wrong way or in a right way, but you are practicing, that's enough, that's okay for you. Okay guys, and now I want to say you one thing, that I do not have any tablet for you, like I do not have any medicine for you which I am gonna give you and you will have that tablet, or you will swallow that you will swallow some water with that tablet. No, it's not gonna happen. You're not gonna learn English by this method, because there is not any kind of tablet, there is not any kind of medicine for all of you guys who really want to learn English and who will have that medicine and then you will be a fluent speaker in English. Okay, I do not have any medicine, but if you guys want to learn, you have to put your own efforts. And guys, that's all for today. I'm already too late, so I have to end up this video here. Thank you.